yeah. Soften 2 blocks of cheese in a microwave if necessary. Add half a cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and mix thoroughly. Set that aside. Now grease a 9 by 13 pan. Add 1 layer of crescent dough to the pan. Now add your cream cheese mixture. Now roll out the other layer of crescent dough. Pour over the whole mixture a half a cup of melted butter. Mix together a quarter of a cup of sugar and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Spread the cinnamon sugar evenly over the cookie dough. That wasn't enough, so add some more. Into the oven at 350 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. Look at that, folks. Now, slice it down into 24 even squares. Set that in the refrigerator to cool off, and there you go. Oh, yeah.